Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So, if you are ready to kickstart your career with Amazon as an intern, then you have a great opportunity right now because Amazon is back with its machine learning challenge. It's kind of hackathon. I'll tell you a complete detail about this hackathon as well as last year also they have conducted such kind of hackathon, same ML challenge hackathon. So I'll give you a reference also. You can watch that particular video, and from there you can refer what kind of problem statement you will be given, how to solve them, so that you have an idea how to prepare, what to prepare for this challenge. Right? What are the eligibility criteria, stipend, everything I'll tell you in this video. So this is especially a great opportunity for those students who are from tier 3 or tier 4 colleges, private colleges there, especially these companies go to for on-campus placement in tier one, tier two colleges for such kind of interns and internship and placements. But now this challenge is open for everyone. I mean, obviously, for all the engineering students across India, whether you are from tier one college, tier two, tier three, tier four, or any private university or college, you can apply for this challenge. Right? How to apply everything I'll tell you. And we know, see, one more thing, especially when you are aiming for those top tech companies, bank companies, or these companies, Amazon, Google, and all, you know that for internships and placement, they especially focus on DSA, when to go for those software roles. So you should be really good in DSA. So one thing is, if you are searching for a great resource or a good resource to learn DSA, then I just want to tell you that I have just recently started a new batch for my DSA with Java placement oriented course from 28th of September. In this course, I'll cover complete Java first, then complete DSA from basic to advanced with 3 4 projects, basic to advanced, intermediate to advanced projects, as well as you have a live Q&A session every week. So it's not that I'll give you some recorded sessions and that's it. If you stuck, you can just join that session. Every week we have a live Q&A session. So you can ask a doubt there. I'm here to help you at every step. Plus, you will get access to a dedicated WhatsApp group also. So it's a great way to interact with other students, your peer connections, networking, and there also you can directly message me and ask your doubts if you have any doubt. It's like I'm one message away from you in that case. So apart from this session theory classes every Saturday, Sunday, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you will get classes. We will have quizzes, assignments, handpicked placement questions asked in top tech companies, lead code questions. I'll tell you everything step by step, like this is the approach you have to follow and how to think, how to build your problem solving skills and all. Plus, you will get support, resume building support as well. Yes, I'll help you in that case also. Few resume tips, interview tips, placement preparation tips. Those session will also be included here. So it's like a two in one, like two courses, Java plus TSA. If you don't know anything about any coding language, if you don't have any coding experience, you can still go for this course. If we talk about the investment, then right now early bird offer is going on. With the coupon code BEST 500, you will get extra 20% discount on this price. So it's 7,999 finally. Right. Plus, those who are needy students, they are not able to pay at one time. So we have an EMI option also. So 1701 per month. For 6 months, you have to pay this EMI. It's no cost EMI. Right. So if you are interested, you can check out the link in the description box of this video. Now let's go back to this challenge. Only 2 days are left. So the last date for to register for this challenge is 9th of October. Already almost 55,000 students teams have been registered for this. Team size is 3 to 4 members. Eligibility criteria is, let me show you everything about this. So it's online. Now here you will have, there will be two round or two stages. It will be started from 11th of October, and the first round, machine learning round. So if you are really passionate about machine learning, you should really go for this course, for this challenge. Team size would be 3 to 4, minimum 3 members, maximum 4 members. Individually, you can't apply for this. There's a team. So every team will receive a problem statement and data set also on which you are going to work on your first day, and you have almost 2 days. Until day 3, you have to submit your solution. Each team must upload 1 or 2 page document outlining their approach, the solution, what approach you have followed. So 1 2 pages on that, along with the code or script or whatever. You can submit that, right? And as well as you can track your performance through the leaderboard, which will reflect team ranking live over the course of this challenge. So you will get to know that where you are standing. Now, this first round will start from 11th of October and you have 2 days only to submit your solution till 13 of October, right? After that, they will select top 10. After round 1, the top 10 team will be invited to the grand finale round to present their solution to Amazon's scientist. So this finale will be hosted live, like virtually, on 17th of October, right? Top 10 teams will go to the final round, and then they will select top 3 teams. What is the eligibility criteria? It's open to all the students pursuing ME, MTech, MS, PhD, BE, BTech. Full-time degree across all the engineering campus in India. Yes. So if you are pursuing engineering from any college, you can apply. But yeah, graduation year should be either 26 or 27. So I guess first year students cannot apply for this challenge. So your graduation year can be next year 26 or 27. Now, each team must consist of minimum of 3 or maximum of 4 members. Each team must have a team leader. Yes, cross college teams are allowed. I guess you can read out these. These are not rules are not that much like tricky one, right? Now, see round 1, I have told you you will be given a problem statement and the data set, and you have 2 days to submit your solution, right? Now, final round, after top 10 team will go to the final round, and they will select three teams. So the winner will be rewarded with a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees, certificates and goodies. First runner up, 75,000 rupees. Second, 50,000 rupees, certificates and goodies. And top 10 teams will be rewarded with certificates and goodies. All the top 10 teams. Plus, now, second most important thing is top 50 teams in this challenge will be rewarded with pre-placement interview. Yes, PPI offer for the role of applied scientist intern at Amazon. Especially for this role, they pick students from the top colleges, to tier 1, tier 2 colleges. But now you have a chance to get in this internship at Amazon, because this challenge is open across India for all the engineering students who are passing out in 26 and 27. So you will get a pre-placement interview offer as well, right? So you have a great chance now to get kickstart your career with Amazon if you are interested in machine learning. So simply the link you will get in the description box. You just have to click on register. You have to fill your details, as well as there will be option like you want to create your team or you want to join a team. So whatever you want to create your team, you can just click on that, or join a team, you can click on that. Then you will be the member. Then you can add other members also. It's not tough. You can easily register for this, right? Plus there is no fee. So you can go for this. And the resource what I'm talking about is what kind of problem statement you will get here. For that, I'll put a video link. You can go and watch that video, because that student has already participated last year in 2024. So he shared his experience in that, what kind of projects, problem statement they were given, and how they worked and all. So if you are a little bit good in, like, Python, and you are passionate about machine learning, you know these concepts, then only you should apply for this challenge, because it's especially machine learning challenge hackathon. So you will be given problem statement from this field only, ML field. Apart from that, if you are preparing for tech placements and internship, you can check out my courses from my website jennyslectures.com. The link you will get in the description box of this video. I hope this video will help you. Now, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.